The dual characteristics of God are a concept most clearly articulated in Unification Thought, though similar ideas exist in other philosophical and religious traditions. First, dual characteristics of God. Masculinity and femininity. God is understood to embody both masculine and feminine characteristics. This duality is the origin of the male and female forms found in all creation, especially in human beings. It also reflects the relational nature of God. Masculine, active, strength, dominance, and protectiveness. Feminine, nurturing, caring, compassion, inward, and harmonizing. Creation requires both forces. God manifests as heavenly parent, combining fatherly and motherly aspects, and humans reflect this duality as male-female to co-create in harmony. Second, dual characteristics of God. Original internal nature and original external form. Internal nature refers to God's invisible, immaterial essence, the internal side of God's being, such as mind, heart, will, personality, and love. Original external form refers to God's visible form or energy and the potential for physical manifestation, the part of God that manifests through the material world. Some attributes are energy, potential for physical form, source of physical laws. These two aspects exist in complete union and in harmony within God. They are not in conflict, but complementary, just like mind and body in a human being. Together, they make God both a living, thinking, loving being and the source of all energy and matter. Third, dual characteristics of God. Transcendence and immanence. God is transcendent means that God is beyond the physical world, time, space, and human comprehension. God is not part of creation, but above and beyond it. This emphasizes God's mystery, majesty, and otherness. To say God is immanent means God is present in, active within, and close to creation, including our personal lives. God is not far away but with us, sustaining life and speaking into our hearts. God knows us intimately, and we can know or experience God personally. Transcendence and immanence means God is not limited to creation, but also deeply involved in it. This duality balances awe with intimacy, mystery with relationships. The dual characteristics of God are seen not as opposites, but as harmonious and complementary, forming the basis of all creation and relationships in the universe. Dualities allow God to be the origin of diversity, while maintaining unity,